calling all brokers. Don't I have a deal for you? I sure do. You gotta contact me and I'll tell you all about it. I don't have enough time to tell you now, but it'll help your clients out because I'm gonna fix their credit. Not me personally, because I have so many clients, but I have a team and we work together and I'll fix your credit. I'll have results for you in 30 days or less and I'll get their credit score up, guaranteed. And this can happen in a short period of time, and your clients are going to save some money because they have a better credit score. Do your clients some justice, allow us to fix their credit so they can get better interest rates. It's a no-brainer. Better credit equals a better interest rate equals saving money over time. It's as simple as that. If you don't contact me, they're not going to save money over time, and they're going to end up paying more money unnecessarily. Do you like paying more money unnecessarily? Sure you don't. So have them give me a call and I'll do a free credit analysis. And yes, I said free, meaning I'm going to go through their credit report, find out what's good and what's bad, and I'll let you know. It's as simple as that. And from there, we could come up with some strategies to improve your or their credit. There's a few strategies that we can do. Removing the hard credit inquiries, for one. Too many of these bad boys and the credit score is going to go down. You get them whenever you apply for credit of some kind, like a credit card, or you go car shopping, they run your credit a bunch of times. We get those off ASAP. And what happens? Yeah, the credit score goes up. Second, we remove those pesky negative items. Collections, late payments, bankruptcies even. We can get all of them removed. It does take some time. We're talking about at least 1 month to get these bad boys removed. Sometimes we can do it faster. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but we're going to get the job done, and we're going to make sure you're 100% satisfied at the end of the day. That's my word. So that's why you want to give me a call, get in contact with me, see my Instagram page, scroll down, see all those happy client testimonials. I didn't make them up. They're real people. They send them to me from our services. You can see that each one is unique and genuine. You can look us up and see what we do. Even better, give me a call or get in contact with me so I can explain more thoroughly about what we do. It's as simple as that. We're going to get the job done. We're going to help you or your clients have better credit scores. And we're going to end up saving you some money in the long run. That's how we've been in business, and that's how we work. Please give me a call at your convenience at 818-399-1886. Even better, just shoot me a text and text a broker or text credit, and then I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.